All right, so welcome back, guys. Another signal. So I got another signal here on Euro USD. This time I'm trading OTC. So the last trade was a short position or a lower position, and I made $301. All right, I invested $350. The next trade, I believe that this time I'm going up because the market will create a green candle, and the market is already playing at the level, the middle band level from the Bollinger Bands. RSI is indicating an uptrend. MACD is indicating an end of downtrend. So I believe that, but not for too long. Just this green candle, and then I will see what will be happening next. All right. So as usual, guys, if you are interested in learning my trading strategy, I invite you to take the course, take my course at learnthestrategy.com/free. So learnthestrategy.com/free, or you can find the link to the course in the description below. Great, $344 as predicted. Let me just check. Yeah, it was clear, just two red candles there. That's okay. All right, the next one is going down. See, so the market is already at the upper band from the Bollinger Bands. The parabolic SAR is trying to push the market down, with the sellers being getting stronger. Sorry. So as I was saying, guys, the access to the first chapter from our course is totally for free. You can just go to the link in the description below, learnthestrategy.com/free, and start learning. You don't need to enter your email or any personal information. Just click the link and just go there, start learning. All right. So as you can see, guys, my strategy is working on binary options. Sometimes I use it with forex and crypto, but most of the time I like to use it with, yeah, I like to use it with binary options. Let's just check. I believe that we will start, the market is being pushed toward the middle band. This means that another sell position is, yeah, another sell position is possible. Yeah, I believe this one is also a win. So as I was saying, guys, binary options is my favorite because it's simple. Binary option trading is a simple financial instrument, you know, where you predict whether an asset's price will be higher or lower than a certain level at a specific expiration time. So that's it. If your prediction is correct, you get a fixed payout, like in this case 80%, 86%. So usually it's it's around 70% to 95% profit. Great. If you are wrong, you lose everything. See, this means what you're seeing here, guys, here. This means this is the end of the downtrend, and we will start to see some green candles. That's why I will try to go up. I believe that this candle, or this trade, is going to end above this level, right? So binary options is simple. That's why I like it. Uh, Straightforward. The platforms are straightforward. Yeah. If you know how to withdraw your money, then go with binary options, because the hardest part is trying to withdraw your money from these platforms, because they will do everything to stop you from taking your money away from their platform, right? And I have my own way, my own method, as I explained in the course. Yeah, $344. As I explained in the course, my own way. Let's go up again. Yeah, with $400. Yeah. My method is never withdraw more than 50% of your initial deposit. For example, if you have $200 in your account, just deposit $400 and withdraw the total, which is $600 now, in 2 or 3 times, without, remember, without trading. Don't trade with it. Deposit $400, wait a few hours, and this should take you at least 24 hours. take $100 and then withdraw another 100, withdraw 50, withdraw 100. And by the end of the 84 hours, remember, don't trade with it. You will be able to withdraw everything. Great. Another, yeah, yeah. So I will see another green candle. Let's go up again. Let's try. No, this one is not 100% going to be green, but I believe that the market will close above. All right. I know this one. I know this one. This will close above. So just choose an asset. In this case, I'm using Euro USD OTC. Select an expiration time. In my case, I trade the 1 minute expiration time, and using a good strategy, decide trade direction, either call or put. Other platforms like in this, like in IQ option, they call it higher or lower, and some will tell you short or long. Yeah, yeah. This is the seventh trade, I guess. Yeah, the seventh trade. Let's see. So the last three trades were an uptrend. See, and this will be the end of this uptrend, and we will start to see some down. So let's go down. Yeah, let's go down, and yeah, hope that. But I guess that this will be the last trade because the market is becoming less predictable. That's why we quit here, guys. Remember, as always, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is made for entertainment purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor. Um, this I'm not telling you in any ways that you will make the same amount of money. This is just a simulation of what is possible to be done with binary options. So be careful when trading with dream money. Just trade with demo account. Try to develop your own trading strategy, and with time, you will be profitable. Great. Yeah, I guess that's it. I don't have any other trade. Yeah, so hope that you enjoyed. And yeah, I will try to find another signal, and I will try to share with you other trading sessions, perhaps tomorrow or the